Hi everyone, my name is Ernest Chooks. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to share yet another video with you. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to build a courier services website with tracking features using WordPress. So if that is something you might be interested in, please consider sticking around to the end of this video. And by the end of the video, if you actually learned how to build this kind of website, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you have any question in between this video, please leave it for me in the comment section below. I will do well to answer to each and every one of your questions. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So without wasting so much of our time, let's get started into this video. For you to be able to build this kind of website, you will need three basic things: a domain name, a hosting account, and a WordPress theme capable of handling this kind of website. For you to get a domain name and hosting account, check up on Namecheap.com. Namecheap.com provides a secure, fast, and reliable web hosting services. So look up their shared hosting plans, and if it's something that you can go with, fine. Nevertheless, you can also choose any web hosting platform that you wish to use. So the next thing we are going to need is a GoCargo WordPress theme. For you to get this theme, I will leave a link below in the description of this video. And you can get this theme with a token of 20,000 Nigerian Naira. So when you are through getting the domain name connected to a hosting account and this WordPress theme, come on with me and follow my steps. So when you log in to your cPanel, the first thing we are going to do is to scroll up to the Softaculous app installer and click on WordPress. So the first thing we are going to do is to install WordPress to our website. So just click on install right here. So if you are installing this to a fresh website, you are not going to put anything in this directory field. But for me, I would love to install it into a subdirectory. So I will do Courier. Okay. And also make sure you have this HTTPS protocol chosen. So just scroll down. You can add a site name, but we can do that later. You can add a site description, we can do that later, or let's actually do that right here. Okay, I can just say Courier website, or let me just say GoCargo, but this should be the name of your company. I will just say fast and reliable shipping. I don't know, I'm just making up things. And admin, I'll just say admin. And the password, let's say, okay, let's see if that works. I think that doesn't work. Okay, not yet. I don't know. Let's say okay. For the admin username, admin email, just put a valid email right here. You can also put a Gmail, any email that you wish to use. Just scroll down. This is to select automatically installed plugins. I will just unselect this. Scroll down right here. Just scroll down a bit more and click on install. So we are installing WordPress into our website. Alright, we are done installing WordPress to our website, and we're provided with two links right here. The very first one is a link to the website, and the second one is a link to the admin dashboard. So you can see a link to the website. This is the Courier folder I created. But in your case, it will just be a website, domain name.com or .net or .org, whichever way. And this is the website right here, looking so basic and empty. and then this is our dashboard. So for you to log into your dashboard, you just have to go to your web address /wp-admin. Okay, then let's scroll down a bit to familiarize ourselves with the admin dashboard. Now the next thing we are going to do, I would love to click on these screen options and clear some of these. I just like to have a clean environment. It's alright. So just click on appearance, themes. By the way, I'm just trying to make this quick for you. Okay, you can see the themes that have been automatically installed for us. This is 2021, this is 2020, and this is 2022 theme. So for you to install any theme, just go to add new. So you can search for any particular theme that is in the WordPress repository, and you can also upload themes from your computer. So now I would love to upload themes from my computer, but I would love to do that from the cPanel. So if you want to do that from the WordPress admin dashboard, just click on upload theme and then click here to choose the file from your computer. But for now, I'm going to upload this theme from the WordPress from the cPanel. Sorry about that. So just click on cPanel and go back to cPanel, and then you are going to go to File Manager. Just follow my steps. Click on File Manager. Okay, I'm under loads up. Just go to public_HTML for my case. So right here, I want to go to Courier. This is the folder I created. This is Courier right here. Okay, now just go to WP content and go to themes. Now right here, I want to install my script, my WordPress theme right here. So just click on upload, and then from here you can select the file, or you can also drag and drop the file. Now for me, this is the file that I want to drop. This is the theme right here, and this is the Go child theme, and this is the main theme. So I'm just going to drag the main theme right here. Alright, and that's installing. You can see it's just 3 megabytes. Okay, remaining just a bit, a moment. Okay, so when it gets to 100, you have to wait for it to turn green before you can click on go back. Okay, still waiting. Alright, now it's green, so you can click on go back. So when you click on go back, it will take you back to the file manager part. Now you can see the WordPress theme that we have uploaded. So just right click on the theme right here and click on extract, and make sure you are extracting it to the themes folder. Now click on extract files, and here we are good to go. So you just have to reload this page right here, and you will see the theme extracted right here. You can see the Go theme extracted right there. Now I can just delete this zip file. I can delete this, delete it permanently if you wish. Now these are the other 3 themes. This is 2020, 2021, 2022. Now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard and check the theme that we have uploaded. Now just go to themes once more. Alright guys, you can see the Go theme right here. So sometimes if you try to upload themes from your WordPress dashboard and it's not going successfully, so try it this way. Try to upload it from the file manager, and I assure you everything will go successfully. Alright, now let's go back and activate our theme right here. So I can just click on activate. Okay, while I've done that, go back to the website, reload the page, and you will see that the layout has changed and the design has changed. Fine. So we have some warning here that the theme requires the following plugins. This. Okay, just click on begin installing plugins. Now those are plugins that the theme requires to function. So just click on select all, click on the plugin to select all, and then choose a bulk action to install, and then click on apply. Okay, and the plugins are being installed one after the other. You can see that right there. Alright, yeah, now it's through installing all the plugins. Just click on return to plugin installer. Okay, now it's time to activate all the plugins. Select all the plugins right here and then select activate and click on apply. Okay, now it's activating all the plugins. Now you can see the following plugins were activated successfully. So all these plugins has been activated successfully. So just go to dashboard right here, and okay, we are here in the dashboard right now. So just forget about all these notices. You can just close them down. Okay, so if you look up right here, the Go Cargo options, you can see demo importer. So just click on that so we can go ahead and import the demo for this website. You can see right now this website is looking like this. Let me just refresh it once more. You can see how the website looks right here, and I think that's taking some bit of time to reload. Okay, so you can see how the website looks right here. So let's go ahead to install a demo, and you can see all the available demos right here. You can see about 9 of them are available. So my favorite to use is this one. So I'll just click on demo, import demo, then click on OK, and it's importing, and that will take a while, maybe 2 minutes, maybe 3, depending on how fast your network is. Just hold on and wait for it to import all the files, all the pictures, all the medias and all that. Alright guys, now the demo content has been imported successfully, and then let's go back to the website and check how the website now looks. Let's reload the website, and then let's see what's up. Okay, you can now see how the website looks. You can see that it's really good. This looks really good, guys. You can see that it has a frequently asked questions section. You can see that is nice, guys. This is really good. Okay, so next thing we are going to do is to edit the logo and favicon section. Just go to logo and favicon section, and then you can now edit the icon right here. You can edit the logos right here. This is the logo scroll, and this is the logo static. So just go ahead and edit the logos. You can just click on upload right here, and you can choose any logo that you desire. So you can see that you can choose any, or you can upload files. You can upload any logo that you desire, and then that will be here. You can see the preferred file format. It must be a PNG or a JPG, whichever one you wish. So you can see the size for the icon right here. Just replace all the logos and you'll be good. Now what next is the footer settings. You can go to that's social. You can set up the social settings anyway. You can set up your social links. You can go to footer settings also. You can set up the footer credit. You can see that right here. Just edit it and click on save changes, and then you can check up on styling. You can check up on that. You can check on the primary color. You can change this color right here. You know, this color that appears, the red appears most often. You can see all this red right here. You can see them. So you can change it from here. That's kind of good. So header settings, you can change the kind of header that you want and all that. So let's go over to the page settings. You can see, just go over to pages, and you can see the several pages that have been automatically created for us. You can see them right here, so you can edit whichever one you wish to edit. So you can see the front page right here. This is the home page, and you have some other few home page templates, the home 2 and the home 3 and also the home 4. So that's by the way you can do whichever thing. You can see the track page right here. So let's go over to the website and let's go to the tracking page. Okay, so when you are the tracking page, you can see the tracking. So let's check if we have a default shipment for us to track. So just go to Go Cargo shipment, and then you can see we have a default tracking for testing. So just paste that code right here and click on tracking. Alright, you can see that, guys. You can see how the tracking looks. This is really professional. You can see that. You can see how the tracking looks. Very professional. So let's go back and let's go over to services. You can see the services that they provide. You can see all the services, so you can go and edit any of them, or you can also create new services. So for you to edit these, just click on edit. Okay, when you click on edit, you can see you can edit all the write-ups, all the lorem ipsum. You can edit this with an actual sentence, an actual paragraph or whatever. So you can see all this stuff. You can edit the featured image. You can edit the excerpt message. You can see that right there. So this excerpt message appears. Let's go to the home page once more. Going to the home page, you can see the excerpt message right here. So for you to change this excerpt message, go to the services section and go to the particular services, scroll down to the excerpt, and then you can change this paragraph right here. Okay, now let's go over to the footer. Let me show you how to edit the footer. Okay, go over to appearance, go to customize. I think we're here. Alright, so when you go over to customize, just go to widgets, and you can see all the footer 1 widget, footer 2 widget area, footer 2 widget area. So the footer 1 widget area is this right here. So when we click on it, click on footer 1 widget area, and okay, just click on it. So you can see our services. So if I can change this thing to maybe my services, or maybe I shouldn't have claimed the services, whatever. So if I should change it to my services, click on publish right here, and then if we reload this page, you'll see my services right here. So you can see that my services. So you can change all the links right here. You can change all the available links right here. You can see this is for the ocean freight, and you can see the ocean freight. So you can change the link right here from this. You can change the link. You can also change the link for all the other ones. So that is that. So for you to change this section right here, the location, go over to footer 2 widget area. So when that loads up, just click on this, and then you can edit the title and also edit the content. You can see all that, the socials and all that. So you can just remove this hashtag and then add your link right there, and you'll be good. Okay. And also for the next one, the buy now section, you might not like to call it buy now. Just go over to footer 3 widget area, and as you should know, you're clicking on it, and you can change the title. You can just write about us, and then you can type some about us text and all that, and then save and publish it. So that is how to change the footer, guys. Now let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Yes, I want to leave the page. Okay, so for us to change the menu or to edit the menu, let's go to appearance and menus. You can also do this from the customizer, but I like doing it from here. Okay, for us to change the menu, so if we go over to the website, the current menu, so if you hover here, you can see menu 1, homepage 1, homepage 2, homepage 3, and homepage 4. So this is the same thing we have here. You can see if you hover on the homepage, you get the homepage 1, the homepage 2. So let's just go ahead and remove some of these homepages because we need just one homepage. So I can just remove these, and remove these. Also I can remove this. So for the services, you can see all the services. You can remove all the services. Maybe you can remove few that you wish to remove, and that will be that. So for example, if you want to remove the gallery, or you want to place the diary or you want to place the gallery inside the news, just drag and then shift it towards the right, and you'll be good to go. So that is that. Like guys, let's just click on save menu, and let's check upon it on the website. So reload the website, and it should be good to go. Okay, you can see the home right here has no drop down anymore. So you can see the news right here has a drop down of gallery, and you can also click on the news and you can click on the gallery. That's fine, that's good to go. So the next thing, let's try to edit the slider revolution. You can see it has 2 slides, but the second one has it has 3 slides by the way, and the second and the third one has no background image. So just click on, while on the home page, the website, while on the home page, click on slider revolution. Okay, when you're done clicking on slider revolution, scroll down a bit and you see the active slider right here. You can see the active homepage slider right here. Just click on edit, and editor is loading. Okay. Alright guys, so you can hover onto slides and you can see slide 1, 2, and then 3. So for the first one, this is the background, and if you go to the second one, you notice that there is no background in this. So for you to choose a background, just select the slide you wish right here, come right here, slide BG animation, just click on this icon, this little icon right here, and you can now click on media library. Okay, when you click on that, you can then upload any image that you wish to use, or you can select any pre-uploaded image that you want to use. So I'll just click on these and then insert. Okay, while that is inserting, okay, you can see that it has inserted. It has been inserted successfully. Okay, for you to change any of the words, maybe the buttons and all that, just click on the buttons, and then you can change the link, and then you can change the title of the blog button. So let's just say contact us. Okay, and maybe read more. You can just leave it with 1 button, you can leave it with 2. Let me just click on save, and then this slider is saving the changes. Now let's go over to slide 3. You can guess the next action. Click on slide BG animation, this little icon right here, click on it, and then click on media library, and then still select the background picture that you need. I'll just click on this and then click on insert, and there we are good to go. Just click on the buttons, and you can also change the text anyway. So for you to change the link, you just have to remove this hash sign right here, and then you can put in whatever link you wish to do. So for me, the buy now team, I'll just click contact. I don't know, just making things up. Contact us. Okay, that will be that. So click on save changes, and then you're good to go. So I just love to click on this WordPress, click on dashboard for me to go out from the slider revolution settings. Okay, I'll just view the website and see how it looks. Okay, this is the very first slider. Oh, we forgot to change the buy theme right here. Okay, the second one, still not showing The third one still not showing. Okay, so if your browser cache is still showing the previous changes in the website, you just have to click on Ctrl and F5 on your keyboard for it to hard reload the website, and then your issue should be fixed. Okay, now I've tapped on Ctrl F5, so let's see if the changes will be live right here. Okay, still loading. Okay, you might have to do that a couple of times for it to appear. Oh, not yet right here, so you just have to wait for a bit of time, maybe 2 minutes, maybe 3, maybe 5 minutes for it to appear. But I assure you that it is the browser cache that is causing some issues right here. So sometimes you make changes and you will not see it reflect immediately, so just don't panic, don't worry about that. It will reflect soon, or you might just have to go to a new incognito tab and then you can view the website. Now let's continue with the Go Cargo shipment. So for you to create a shipment, just go over to Go Cargo shipment, and then you will see all the shipment that you have created before right here. And for you to create a new one, just click on Add Shipment. So when you click on Add Shipment, add the title. The title of the shipment should be the tracking code. So for you can just add some numbers, or you can have some initials, maybe cargo, I don't know, cargo, have some initials, I don't really know. So the choice is yours, but the title is automatically the tracking code. So when you do that, this first tab right here, it has actually 2 tabs. The first one right here is a place where you can update the shipment history. So this is for a shipment that have already taken place. So for now, we are registering a new shipment. I will just have to close these down, click on this little icon right here to close it down, and then we have the last section. Now we have this Go Cargo shipment information. Now here you have to fill the shipper information. After doing that, you have this little check box right here. So if you check this box, this information will show on the tracking page when the receiver is tracking it, or when someone is tracking the shipment. So this information will show. If you don't want these information to show up, so just leave this box unchecked. Now the next one is the receiver information. Fill it here, and also the same thing with this box right here. If you want these information to show on the tracking page while tracking it, you just have to check this box, and if otherwise, leave it unchecked. Now the last one is the shipment information. Now you have some bit of forms to fill. You can see that. So just fill the weight, the courier, the package mode, this product quantity, payment mode might be cash, maybe transfer. Just type it in here. Total freight, this is the amount. This is the amount you charge for the freight. You can see, just add a $, add a euro sign, depending on your currency that you accept. Let's just say these, the carrier, maybe UPS, DHL, FedEx, and all that. Carrier reference number, departure time, origin, destination, pickup date, pickup time, status. You can see some statuses here, right here. This accepted, processing, pending, delivered. So this is expected delivery date. You can choose any expected delivery date. You can see the comments. You can make a comment right here. Agent name, type of shipment, show shipment information. So this also implies the first and second one. So if you want to show all these information in the tracking page, you just have to check this. But if otherwise, leave it unchecked. So when you're done filling all these stuffs, just click on publish. When you click on publish, your shipment will go live. So when you come back to, I'll just leave this page right now. So this is the one you're trying to create, is just in draft right now. It's not published yet. So for you to track, I've shown you this before, for you to track a shipment, just copy the shipment tracking code, go back to the website. You can track from the home page, you can track from this tracking section right here, or you can also go over to the track page. Let me just track from the home page, so you can see that right there. So for you to update shipment, just go over to the shipment I wish to update. Maybe the shipment has landed in another country and you want to change the location and all that. So just hover on the desired shipment and you want to change the location and click on edit. Okay, while that is loading up. Okay, so earlier I told you that you have two fields, you have two sections, the Go Cargo shipment information and the Go Cargo shipment history. Now that we are to update the history or the location of the shipment, we just have to work with this first section. Now we have nothing to do with this second section because we have already carried out the shipment. So let's just click on this little icon right here to expand the Go Cargo shipment history section. Alright, so for this shipment you can see the tracking. It has already been updated some couple of times. You can see that. So these are the updates. You can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. So you can see the updates right here. This is a whole section from here up there. This is a whole section from here up there. This is a whole section from here up there. This is the third one, this is the fourth one, and this is the fifth one. So for you to add more updates, so just click on add more, and then you can add the time. Let's just say now, so it will hijack the time from my computer and put it here, and then done. So you can check on the date. This is, say today, this is 28th of July 2022. So the status, you can, in transit, after delivery, delivered, failed attempt, exception, expired, pending, trucking, or air freight, ocean freight. Let's just say probably out for delivery, I don't know, remarks, this package is out for delivery from this place to this place, I don't really know, your terms and all that. So address, copy the address, link Gmap. So you can just go to Google Map, copy the location, address, and paste it right here. And after doing that, you can just click on update, and that would be updated. So guys, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to edit the home page right here. So let me just go ahead and reload this home page, and I'll show you how to edit the home page and also all other pages. So the next thing is for us to edit this home page. You can see these, all of them are just the same sentences, the same paragraphs and all that. You can see all of them. So we wish to change all these. So for you to change this, just go to edit with WP Bakery Page Builder. So click on this while on the home page, just click on that, and when you click on that, so the WP Bakery Page Builder is loading up. Okay, now the page has loaded up, and then you just have to edit each and every section. You can see this, you can see that. Okay, this is a section with 4 subsections. So just click on edit, this green edit right here. You can see the icon. So click on it for you to edit this paragraph for customer satisfaction tools. As you can see, you can edit the title, customer satisfaction tools, and then you can scroll down, you can edit the paragraph right here. So I don't know. So just edit the paragraph. I'll just remove some things. I'll just Let me just add a full stop right there and save changes. So we're good. You can see the changes has reflected right there. So click on the second one, and then that is basically how you should go about editing all the fields and sections. So let me just do this right here. Okay, edit right there. okay, let me just do this, maybe probably copy this, then save changes. So after you're done doing all this stuff, just scroll down a bit, scroll down more. You can edit the frequently asked questions section. You can click on this to expand it. You can click on the green edit. You can edit whichever field you wish to edit. You can see the answer right here. For you to edit the actual question, just click on the yellow edit right here, and you can edit the question. You can see the question right here. You can edit that, and then click on save changes. So after you're done, just click on update, and then changes will be updated successfully. You can see it's successfully updated. Now let me just go back to the home page and then see our changes. So let's reload this page, and you can see our changes as reflected. You can see all that right there. So you can edit the other pages just like this. So go back to about us page, and then you can also click on the edit with WP Bakery page builder, and then you can edit all the sections, all the pictures and all that just the same way. So guys, we have gotten to the end of this video. If you actually learned something from this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you have any question at the end of this video, please leave it for me in the comment section below. I will do it to answer to each and every question you might have. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and then turn on the notification for more videos. And guys, if you want this Go Cargo WordPress thing, I will leave the link in the description of this video. Click on the link and you can get this theme for a token of 20,000 naira. So see you guys in the next video. I really love you guys. Goodbye for now.